Feels pretty confident that the dogs aren't here right now. Come right down on the ground and mess with us. There you go, and there's, look at that beauty. The other one that was just hanging out down there was, he's right there now. Sort of cruising off. Maybe he'll come back. Yeah, beautiful day for it. Wouldn't even see him.